Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast in the Scranton Trolley Museum, the Electric City. Lots of electricity themes throughout here. The Electric Northeast, 1913. See a train coming through in the background. This is $7 for adults to come in the museum. Great value, I think. Lots to see, lots to do, and they're okay with recording. So record I will. East Endless Mountains region. See the train at the top coming through, the electric train, one stationary and the other passing by. So pretty cool here to see the train and follow it through the tracks. A lot of coal mining in this area. This is 1905, the Breaker Boys. You can come in and take your own picture. And at the back, you can see all of the dioramas or small models. See a bridge on this side, many trees and buildings. Dunmore, pretty close here to Scranton. Rocky Glen Park, including a roller coaster that used to be in this area, used to be active anyway, and various trolleys. You can see a model area here of the old park, I believe in Rocky Glen. And this asks you, do you have an electric personality? So pretty cool. Coming through here, see the various areas: Scranton, Dixon City, Blakely, Jessup, Mayfield, Carbondale, Simpson, and many other areas. It's a shout out to Perry from Boston, who was recently on Love on the Spectrum season 3, big train fan. You can see Scranton, the electric city. You can see more about coal, the hard coal heritage, and looks like a breaker boy and an older miner. A lot of Happy Easter recording here in April. And you can see the trolleys, Philadelphia and Western, Norristown in the Philadelphia area for sure. Electric Third Rail Mini Museum, National Insulator Show, and various trolleys in the back, all of different numbers. Philadelphia and Western Railway, Albany and Hudson Railroad, Third Rail Electric Power. See inside of the case, lots of rail equipment. Third Rail Insulator Manufacturers, 1909. And it's explaining how they got power to the rail for the electric trolleys. In the back, you can see a lot of the lights, high voltage, do not enter upon or cross the tracks, Union Switch and Signal Company, and the letter T. See more on this side, signals, caution underground cables, and a lot of the electric items here. Looks like Union Switch and Signal Company, signal relays, electric third rail. A lot of cool things in this museum. Inside of the glass, fuses, resistors, signals, signal lamps, and the trolley, or a trolley in the back. No access to the trolley, but still get some good video on this side. More of the cases to the left or right ahead. Danger live wire, please keep off. The Laurel Line, a trolley to remember, 2011 article. Ride relaxed, red arrow lines, some old advertisements. Restoration process as they're restoring a lot of these trolleys, many of them worn down with time. Mini trolley in the back, and another here, the device on the front, maybe a cow catcher. Lots of plants towards the back. This one definitely older. You can see the rust on the sides and the wearing down. Coming back around, you can see Philadelphia Allentown Water Gap and some Christmas art. You can see some Christmas trees with the trolley, some of the old fare boxes, and a modern one on this side. Coins to go in that for a trolley ride, probably less than $1 at that time. And the decades. 2016, 150 years of coal. Scranton, the electric city. There's a movie rolling on this side, and another one of the trolleys, including one you can get inside. You can see the inside. Lots of cool things here in the Trolley Museum. And towards this end is a gift shop. You can see all kinds of shirts, hats, souvenirs, books, and much more. Get a wide view on this side. And an Easter tree. So pretty cool. Nice area here, Scranton, Pennsylvania, Steamtown. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.